Hi, I'm AndBenz. You can call me AndBenz. Welcome to Master. Today in this video, I want to teach you how to choose in between all recommended and recent content only. A lot of SEO experts out there confusing a lot of content creators out there in the name of helping them to set up their YouTube tab, choosing in between all recommended and recent content. This has become a major problem that a lot of people are battling with right now in the social media aspect, especially YouTube. If a YouTuber, then stick to this video. I will let you know exactly what all content, all recommended means and what recent content only means. In this video, I will break it down to you so that you will not go and harm your channel, because a lot of YouTube channels already are into problem following all those YouTube SEO experts out there. Videos are just popping up here and there, switch up this, turn this or do this, do that in the name of SEO, and all are lies from the pit of hell. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the notification icon so you never miss any of my vital information. Without wasting much of your time, I will dive you into the explanation in detail what the all content, all recommended and recent content only mean. So let's go into the tutorial right now. Okay, you can see now I am in my YouTube studio. What you have to do now, you have to scroll down to customization. Click on customization and a tab will open. Then you can see after profile tab, you can see home tab. You click on the home tab. Then there is a place it says for you. You can see for you. And you can see more settings. Click on this more setting to see these two settings I'm about to show you the differences. Click on more settings. To open like this, then you scroll down. You can see we have all content recommended and recent content only. Now this is the reason why I created this video, because there is a lot of videos confusing people on selecting any out of these two. Choosing between all recommended or recent content only depend on your channel strategy, content type and audience behavior. Let me break this down. Both options to help you better decide. 1. The all content recommended. These settings allow YouTube to recommend all your content, including older videos, regardless of when it was uploaded. What's the benefit? It increases watch time. Older videos can continue to bring views and engagement, boosting your overall watch time. Leverages evergreen content. Perfect if you have timeless or evergreen videos that remain relevant over time. Attracts new subscribers. Viewers who discover your older content might explore your channel further and subscribe. Maximize monetization. Old videos that resurface can generate ad revenue even years later. Best for this, that means the all content recommended is best for what kind of channels with evergreen content, e.g. tutorials, tutorial channels, reviews, how-to videos, larger libraries. This tab is best for channels with evergreen content, e.g. tutorial, niche, review and how-to videos. Now step 2. This is the second option, which is recent content only. This setting prioritizes recommending your newer videos over old ones. What's the benefit? Focuses audience on new content, drive more traffic to your latest uploads, ensuring they perform well during the critical first 48 hours. Better for trending topics. Ideal if your channel covers time-sensitive or trending topics that lose relevance quickly. Audience engagement. Keeps your audience updated with your newest content, helping maintain loyal viewers. Best for this tab or this setting, which is recent content only, is best for channel focuses on trends. That's trend news channel or timely event, e.g. commentary, reaction videos, vlogs about current events. Those are the particular niche that these settings good for. It builds momentum for your latest upload. Smaller channel trying to grow by promoting fresh content. Which setting is best? Which setting is best? Choose all recommended if you have evergreen content or a significant back catalog of high quality videos. You want to maximize long-term visibility and monetization. Or you can choose recent content only if your channel focuses on trends, news, or content with a short lifespan. You are actively driving views to new uploads and building momentum for recent videos. If you are unsure, you could experiment. Set recent content only for a few weeks after posting a new video to maximize its visibility. Then switch back to all content once the initial boost slows down to keep your older videos active. So you can see all what these two settings means. So you don't go and harm your channel in the name of following SEO expert out there. So please know your niche and know the particular tabs that works for you best. So if you're new to this channel, like I said earlier, subscribe and hit the notification and subscribe so you don't miss any of my vital info like this again. Until then, I want to see you another time. Bye.